How's it going, everyone? It's one more cast fishing here, back with another video. Today's episode, we're back here with another fly tying tutorial, and we're going to be tying the Jaun worm. Very simple pattern. Lots of people fish in rivers. You can fish it still water. I've got a few trout on it. Stock trout will eat it up like nothing. And yeah. And the materials you're going to need for this fly, I'm using 3.2mm gold tungsten. 2.8 would work too. I'm going to be using a size 10 scud. You could use a size 12 or like a curved nymph hook. I'm using scuds today. Then you're going to need your red thread and some, I think, what is it, ultra chenille? Yeah, some red ultra chenille. So let's get to tying, folks. Okay, to start off, grab your red thread. So you're going to pull your bead to the back there. Secure your red thread. And then grab your scissors, snip your tag off, secure that, and then you're going to grab some of your ultra chenille and add some to the front there. Don't leave it too long at the front. And you're just going to secure that. A little piece at the front there. Trim your tag. Secure that down all nice. And then you're gonna grab your whip finisher, and then you're just gonna whip finish. Go about 1, 2, 3. Oh, accidentally dropped my bomb in there. And you're just gonna pull your bead up. Cut your thread off, then pull your bead up, just like that. Grab your red thread again, secure to the back. Take your scissors again, and just trim that. And then you're gonna wrap your thread back to your shank, build up a nice body. And you're gonna go down to where your shank is. Like I said, make a nice body. And probably right there, I would say. It's probably good. And like, you could tie this in like quite a few different sizes. Today I'm using size 12 scud hook, which is probably on the bigger side, but you could go with like a size 12. And like, you don't have to use like size scud hook, like, it's up to you. Like, there's different ways you can do this, but I'm doing it this way. So, and then you're going to take more ultra chenille. You want this piece pretty big. And then you're going to add a nice tag there. Or a nice tail, I mean. Decently long. And it's going to be hard. Because the setup I have. You're going to take your... secure it at the back there, then you're going to take your thread, wrap a few times, make sure it's nice and secured. That's a pretty long tail. I could probably go shorter, which I think I am going to. It's a little too short. Right, it's probably perfect. I'm just going to secure the tail, make sure it's on there good. And then I'm going to take the other half of the ultra chenille and just kind of pull it back, secure that, and then wrap up towards the bead, make a nice body. Like that. Add some thread on your bead, secure it nice. Okay, so you got your tail, got your front. Now you're going to take the rest of the ultra chenille that's still on. Gonna wrap it all the way towards your bead. Like that. Okay, and then you're gonna take your thread, secure the ultra chenille. Oh my, Sorry, I don't got the best setup. I still haven't found a good setup for fly tying. Okay. Like for filming the videos. Like, I got a good setup, but not for really filming videos. Then you're just going to secure that down. Like that. Pull your thread up. Make sure beads nice and secure. Yep. And then you got your body there, you got your tail, and you got your front or whatever. And here, I'm going to take my whip finisher. I'm going to whip finish about 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And I like to do 2 sometimes, and then go 1, 2, 3. Just to make it extra strong. And then usually I don't do this, but I'm gonna. If you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna take a little dab of UV resin. And my Solres. Just attach right there in front of the bead. And then you're gonna close the cap on your resin, put it away, and then just UV that for a little bit. And then that's basically it. And then your resin's on there. And that is the fly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Simple little pattern. Catches lots of trout. Pretty effective in rivers. You can catch stillwater fish with it. I've caught a few. I haven't fished in the rivers, but I have caught a few stillwater fish. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys with some more videos.